I'm editing this video with one prompt in 30 minutes. Here's how I do it. So everything you see here, from the graphics, the sound effects, the background music, everything is done using Claude Code, and I'm going to walk you through the details in this video. I'm also going to drop a PDF in the description below, and you'll be able to put this into Claude Code yourself. So I'm Sean Holm. I'm the founder of NextLevel CRM and NextLevel Digital. We help small businesses and insurance agents, hundreds of them across the country, and we're doing things for them like ads, automation, CRM setup, the whole gambit. So we're always making tutorial videos. We're making ads for them. We're making guides, all kinds of helpful video content. And so I wanted a way to quickly just be able to edit a video and get it off for certain use cases. Maybe it's a course video, maybe it's just something quickly that I need to send off. And so while we have an internal creative director, a video editor, she's really awesome. She does more of our polished work. I wanted something where I could feed to Claude Code and just have it kick back a final product that was fairly decent. And that's what you're seeing here in this video. And a lot of people will be surprised that you can actually edit videos this well with using Claude Code now. So what Claude Code is, if you're not familiar, is basically, a lot of people are starting to adopt AI, whether it's just, ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, or others. I like to explain Claude Code as it's giving hands to your AI model. It's actually being able to help you to do things. So if you're not used to using AI in this way, or if you've never used Claude Code, you can download it on Anthropic's website. It's fairly easy to download. You don't need to know anything about coding. I don't know much about coding at all. It's technically called vibe coding. Maybe not technically. Some people call it that. Some people don't like that name. But the point is, you can just talk to it in natural language and it will build things for you. So if you're not sure how something works, just ask it and it helps you build it. You can download it from the site, and really, unless you're doing a lot of coding, a lot of projects, the $20 a month plan will probably work fine for you if you just need to occasionally build videos like this one. So to get started, just go to the site, download Claude Code, and then you can use the PDF that I provide below and feed it to it, and it'll walk you through things if you're missing anything and make sure that you're fully set up. So you're also going to need an OpenAI key, a couple other little apps that it downloads like Whisper and Node and a few others. That's not a big deal at all. Just ask Claude to help you set it up, and it'll help you set it up. It figures out the details for you, and the details are in the PDF. So the first video, I will say, takes a little bit longer. You're going to be setting it up. You're going to tell it the style that you like. If you don't have branding, what I recommend, this has been huge for me, is get your website. If you have a website or anything that has maybe your colors, your logo, all that stuff. If you don't have that, you need to figure it out. But basically take all that, give it to Claude Code, and tell it to build you a brand kit. It'll put it all nicely in a document for you, and then any future projects that it makes, if it's making you a website or video or whatever, it'll refer to your brand kit, and it will make sure that everything is aligned with your brand. So it's really awesome. But if you don't have that set up, your first video might not take 30 minutes. It might take you a little bit longer to make sure that Claude understands the kind of video that you're wanting to make, what your style is, what your brand is. But after you set it up, you can get video creation like this one in under 30 minutes. Save you a ton of time, save you a ton of hours versus having to do this manually. We have a video editor, like I mentioned. She's doing more of our bigger project type things, our more important videos, our more polished videos and products. So if you want something simple, that's what this is for. Now, one of the coolest things about this whole process is that the Claude Code will review the work. It'll actually watch the MP4 that it generates for you for this video and then give you feedback so that you can make corrections if you need to make corrections, or it gives itself feedback to autocorrect. And so you're not having to constantly iterate and make changes, especially once you get it dialed in after doing a couple of videos. So free PDF is in the description below. Definitely check it out. If you have any questions, just comment below. This has been huge for our team, huge for me. I'm super excited about this. I didn't think that Claude Code could do this. I've seen other videos where people talk about Claude Code's capabilities and it has simple graphic overlays. I'm using this almost every day to produce things, and it's been really surprising, and I know it's just going to get better. So hopefully you get a lot of good use out of it, and I'll see you in the next video.